Welcome back to Great Day. When trying to sculpt your body, you might lose the weight, but still have excess cellulite, love handles, or belly fat. Sometimes diet and exercise just won't do the trick. Fortunately, Renew Body Contouring and Med Spa offers a revolutionary fat-destroying system that will help you lose inches, change the appearance of your skin, and remove your fear of the mirror.
Kat, a lot of people will lose weight and then look in the mirror and go, wait a minute, right? Because there's these pockets of stubborn fat that won't go away. You can't exercise them away, you can't spot reduce them unless you're doing something like CoolSculpting, which permanently removes those fat cells.
Absolutely, Deborah. CoolSculpting uses a technique called cryolipolysis. What it does is it causes the fat cells to go into apoptosis. In layman's terms, it's freezing the lipids inside the fat cell enough so that it damages the cellular structure of that cell. That life cycle then burns out, it eliminates from the body.
But the skin is fine.
The skin is great, it's perfectly fine, and you get a permanent fat layer reduction because it literally gets rid of those fat cells permanently so they don't come back.
Yeah, and we can use this in different areas of the body.
Absolutely. So right now, today, we're actually going to be doing arms. Arms are one of the hardest areas to lose weight from. I mean, you can go to the gym and lose it everywhere else, but you always seem to have these arms, right? Yeah. So CoolSculpting, one of my favorite techniques with this one is getting it right underneath there, being able to get rid of what they call that the bat wings instead of the Halloween.
Yeah. But you know, the cool thing about this too is that oftentimes when people have done other things to get rid of the fat, the skin was loose and it was because that fat wasn't filling it out anymore. This doesn't only get rid of the fat cells, but it also tightens and lifts.
We're not eliminating all the fat cells that are in that area. We're only eliminating a portion. So one treatment does 20 to 25% fat layer reduction, 2 does 50 to 60. Yeah. So it just kind of keeps coming closer and closer and closer. I always tell people that you want to be careful. If that fat's been in there a really long time, then sure, you can have a possibility of loose skin, and sure, skin tightening is an easy thing to do. But with CoolSculpting, most of the time we don't see that. If it's done properly, you just see a nice, slimmer, sleeker, smoother, contoured arms. This applicator it's a 35-minute process, okay?
How long before you start seeing results? How long before your full results?
So most people start seeing typically 3 weeks out. My arms, I've had ladies see it as soon as a week. You know, I've had women that are, going on vacation and sending me pictures with their margaritas in their hand.
Yeah. I actually saw it in 3 weeks.
Exactly.
And then once it settles down, you can look at it and say, this is great.
3 months is usually the max.
Right? And you can go back again and do some stuff if you want to and tweak, right?
So we suggest that people do 2 treatments every time, 2 passes to get best results. And we do them anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks apart.
Okay, take care of those arms. I'm going to talk to a couple of your clients who've already had their CoolSculpting done.
I did CoolSculpting, and it's something I never even heard of before, but I didn't want to do lipo. I didn't want to do any of that. And Catherine here explained everything very calmly, easily to me, very understood everything. And it was one of these things like, I'm a little nervous, but let's try it.
Yeah. Unfortunately, I inherited my grandmother's arms and get these bat wings. So I tried this CoolSculpting. It's only been about 5 weeks. I can already tell a huge difference. It's really a lot thinner. I've still got 1 more pass to go, but it's really helping tighten up these sagging wings that I have.
I saw tremendous change. It's like my body just started melting away.
You got your beach body back.
I got my beach body back.
An added benefit here at Renew Body Contouring is a thing called hypoxia. We've heard people talk about something like visceral fat, that deep fat. Hypoxia can help with that.
Exactly. Hypoxia is a low impact exercise that's going to target more of that area that you want to focus on. And we are actually 3 times more effective than just a traditional exercising.
And this is great for overall weight loss.
Absolutely. So we're able to drop a pant size within 4 to 5 weeks from whatever area of your body that you would like to target.
Yeah, and what is that? We say low impact exercise, and what am I in right now?
So you are in our S120. It is a bicycle, and it's inside of a vacuum pod, and the vacuum is what's actually the technology that's increasing your circulation to those fatty deposits. And so really in here, you're going to be targeting your stomach, your hips, your butt, and your thighs, as well as cellulite.
Yeah, and there's other machines here you have where you're laying down doing something, and then of course your traditional treadmill, however you have that hypoxia suit on.
Correct. So what he's got on is a compression suit that's incorporated with cupping around the abdomen area. And what that's doing, it's increasing the circulation to the abdomen so we can target that visceral fat and that stubborn fat area as well.
And I know the clients that we talked to earlier, they actually used hypoxia in conjunction with CoolSculpting to get their ultimate results. So let's go back to them and see how they enjoyed hypoxia.
Hypoxia, you wear a suit that really focuses on weight loss for men in the areas you need it. With the CoolSculpting hypoxia, those two things together worked. The Cool Sculpting got rid of those real fat pockets, but the Hypoxy helps to just burn that fat around your midsection intensely. It's a super intense item that you could just see over time, it just melts away. So I have gone from 305 pounds down to 240 pounds. I have more energy. I have got off a lot of medications, and I feel wonderful when I wake up in the morning. I feel wonderful throughout the whole day. It's just one of these things is, I had a 65-pound backpack on me, and I got it off of me.
I'm down 37 pounds. I'm off my blood pressure medicine. I'm off my heart medicine. My doctor is like, you were pre-diabetic. That is all gone. And it saved my life.
So Kat, someone can come in and get Cool Sculpting, which is totally effective, but you can also add that to Hypoxy. And when you do both of them together, it's like you get bigger results quicker.
Absolutely. So Cool Sculpting gives us that permanent fat reduction that we're looking for. Hypoxy gives us that weight loss that you're needing. Cool Sculpting, you can't treat visceral fat. It's all subcutaneous. So a lot of times I get a lot of patients that just, I got that firm belly, what can I do? So when I can't have them with us, I send them on over to Caroline. She does a great job. And of course, when we get the two together, it's like magic.
It's where you get that lean body.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
You really get the combination of a permanent fat loss and a weight loss with skin tightening, the whole 9 yards. It's just an amazing, amazing result that we're blessed to have a partnership and have her next door.
And by the time I'm done, I'm replacing that Cool Sculpting lady right over there. Yeah, you'll see my body right over there. That'll be me.
Renew Body Contouring and Hypoxy Houston have a special offer for Great Day viewers. Buy one Cool Sculpting treatment and receive the second half off. Also, the first 20 callers will get a free skin tightening package. That's a value of $1,800. For more information or to make an appointment, log on to renewbodycontouring.com, or you can give them a call at 713-588-6877, 713-588-6877.